A tourist is sitting on a bench, holding their phone and scrolling through photos. Nearby, a cheeky monkey watches curiously from a tree. Wow, these selfies are amazing. I should post them all. Hey, give that back. The monkey starts mimicking the tourist, holding the phone up and snapping pictures. It accidentally switches to selfie mode and takes a hilarious, distorted photo of its face. Are you serious right now? The monkey throws the phone back, landing perfectly in the tourist's lap. The tourist looks at the screen and sees the ridiculous selfie. Guess you're the star now, buddy. Sometimes, life's best moments come when you least expect them. Stay playful. And with upbeat music and the monkey swinging away in the background.